Hello everyone. So today is 21st of May and I'm again back with another video. So I have been long gone with I wasn't making any video because I was making a shift and making some changes. So I was busy with the shifting and everything, so I had to go through a lot of work. So sorry for that. I couldn't make the videos, but yes, for the members I did keep them updated. Okay. So on Thursday again, as I said, that weakness, we were bears and market was on a sell on rise mode. Okay. Wednesday in the morning, clear cut, there was weakness in the market. So every day it went fine. Only the last Friday, the last up move, we couldn't capture it. Okay. Yeah. So now coming to so let's not waste time whatever happened with our analysis last week. If you want, I'm just scrolling and you can just pause the video and get a glimpse of it. Okay, so that's it. And now let's come to the main thing, that is the end of the day data. So end of the day data, I would like to say something, that is many FIIs have come into play. Okay, for the past 2 to 3 weeks, many FIIs have come into the play and they are not taking any unified decision. Some FIIs are going long, some are going some are going taking bearish positions, some are taking bullish positions, and not only that, like both the sides strong positions are being taken. Okay, it's not like one side is weak taking fewer positions and another side is taking heavier positions, so that you can identify who can win. Nothing. Both the sides almost the same amount of positions. Little bit difference will always be there, but not a huge margin of difference. Okay, so those who are believing that market will be bullish, they strongly believe, and those FIIs who believe that market will be in a bearish mode, they also strongly believe. Okay, so both sides strong beliefs are there. And what is happening during the market hours? Fighting is going on between these FIIs and the big guys. Okay, so end of the day data has become less relevant, and more relevant is the fresh data. Okay, so fresh morning data during the intraday, midday data, and finally the end of like 2 to 3 p.m. data, or maybe till 3:15, sometimes like 3:30 also. Let's take 9 to 10 a.m. the fresh data, then midday around 11 to 12 what is happening, and then finally like 2 to 3:30 p.m. what is happening. So these three time slots are very important, and one should analyze what the fresh data or what fresh positions are being taken by the big players, and then only you can achieve like some level of your analysis would be correct. And let me tell you that don't make like one-sided position and just sit for the whole day. Once you have analyzed that market is going to go up, you have taken long positions, market has gone way up, like in Nifty you have taken position, Nifty has gone up by 50 to 60 points, close it. Okay, because again those who are bearish, after like maybe 60 to 80 points move, again they would start to take the market down, and yeah, things can go against you. Okay, so that's how you can be saved. Like don't stay for a very long time with directional trades, and also try to analyze the fresh data. Okay, and the next very important thing about the 2000 currency notes, it's not like demonetization. Everyone is saying again demonetization. It's not like that. The last time it was demonetization because all those major currency notes, it was said that from tomorrow onwards no one can use them. Okay, just no one can use them. So they were you can't go and pay someone with the help of those currency notes. But this time, yes, you can use the 2000 currency notes to buy or do some like whatever you can. But yes, many would say that if you go to a local shopkeeper and give them 2000 currency notes, they would not be willing to take it. They would be reluctant to take those notes, but that's illegal. Okay, that's not legal, because legally they have to accept. and but yeah, they are you can use them, and maybe you can go to some big shopping malls, they would be accepting it, or maybe the banks are accepting it. Yes, but the major point being here is that even if you have noticed from the past 1 year, the 2000 currency notes were very rarely seen. Like people were totally dependent on these 500 currency notes or 100 200. Okay, so 2000 currency notes were being rarely used. So I mean, government just announced recently, but from a very long time these notes were not very commonly used, and so I mean it won't give a major impact on the economy or on the people's daily lives. Yes, those who have 2000 rupee notes, they have to waste their times going to the bank and exchanging, but it's not going to be a scenario like last time at ATMs. We don't have cash coming out, people don't have cash to use, so it was a horrible situation. So those things won't happen this time, and so market logically shouldn't react. This is not a demonetization, this is just pulling back this currency which was rarely being used. Okay, so that said, now yes, now let's come to the analysis. That is for Nifty. Again, if you look at the end of the day data, so let's come to the end of the data first. So as you can see, the people, the FIIs who are believing that market will go up, Nifty will get to all-time high, they are continuously increasing their futures long positions, and those who are believing that market is going to go down, they are also continuously increasing. Though market came down from 18,400 to 18,100, but no one, I mean with this fall in the past few days, with this fall, as you can see, from 18,433 it came down to almost near to 18,100. Okay, so 300 points fall, still they are not booking their profits, and those FIIs are, they strongly believe that market is going to come down, and those FIIs who are going long, they are also strongly believe. As I said, both are strong believer. Okay, so no one is going to like accept defeat. So, and in between what happens is that they have a lot of money, they can wait, they know what, they have a lot of news, insider trading, whatever you say, I mean things can be compromised. Okay, with so everything has a price. I wouldn't like to say more about it, but you know, this is India and everything has a price, and many things can be compromised. Okay, and so they would have news, they can have patience, but we as a retail trader would be swiped out between their fighting. Okay, so that's why I would say what we can do in this scenario. So now let's come to the next thing, that is the option chain. So index data, as you can see, that put writing has been like more positions that have been added is put writing, and then call writing also has been added, and these put buying positions which were added on Friday were for hedging purpose, and these call buying that were done, they were also used for hedging purpose of this call writing positions. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, this row is basically the difference between the previous day data and for the FIIs, the previous day data and today's data, not today's, the 19th, so 18th and 19th data. Okay, so 19th data minus 18th data. Now let's come to the, so this the next row is for the prop decks. So the prop decks, they have also taken huge put writing positions, but they have done something, that is they have added very few call writing positions overall, and they have added these put writing put buying positions to hedge these huge put writing positions. But this is the data which is alarming, that is they have done a huge amount of call, they have taken a huge amount of call buying positions. Okay, so tomorrow, like let me tell you, like the herd mentality would be like demonetization without actually knowing the facts, without analyzing the facts. Many would just think that, oh okay, so like demonetization, again market is going to fall, let's take some bearish positions and market can rally. But there are two things that you should understand. These long positions, if they come into play tomorrow, you would see that market is rallying up and up, okay. And now if it happens that market is going to come down or not going to go much up, so these long positions would be converted into call writing positions. So that's where you have to analyze whether these long positions are not being converted and market is going up and up, and call buying positions are being taken the advantage of, like the if prop decks are taking the advantage of these call buying, or they are converting these into call writing positions, okay. So huge, so if this like they have to convert these positions into call writing positions and take these positions as hedging, so then a lot of call writing has to be done. So you will surely be able to analyze the scenario, okay, which is being done. Or otherwise, whoever is in call writing positions, they have to short cover. So it would be very pretty simple to analyze what is going on. So just look at the fresh data, what is going on. But overall, again, if market goes up, then there would be a very, very nice opportunity again near about, like let's say here, near about 18,335 or 18,433, where market took got resistance. Again market would get resistance because these FIIs won't be leaving without their average position is around 18,200, okay, their average shorting position. So they won't be leaving the market with a loss. So again they would be bouncing back and again taking the market down, okay. So then we can come and short the market, but for now you should wait and watch. And especially tomorrow, market is going to be volatile because many would think that market is going to go down, and market could be taken up because these prop decks, they have taken a huge amount of put writing positions, and as well as they have done call buying, okay, purely call buying. This is just nothing for them. This data is almost a negligible amount of call writing positions, okay. So overall, if you see that, yes, overall if you see the prop decks and the FIIs, they also have overall a nice amount of call writing positions, but last day what they have done is they have taken mainly put writing positions, okay. So which I think they are first going to convert them into some profitable positions, and they might book them after that, and later on market can consolidate or maybe come down, okay. So that said, I think so let's now, we have analyzed the index as well as the futures data, and for the prop decks, the futures data, what they are suggesting, you see both the sides. Again for the prop decks also, it's almost the same, just equal amount of long and short positions are there in futures. Sorry, not my bad. Futures positions, long positions are lesser than short positions. So in the prop decks also, in futures, the some of the prop decks do believe that yes, further market is going to fall from here. So how is it going to happen? So let's discuss those things. Sorry. So yeah, let's come here in the chart. So in the chart, if you can see here, that is, if market goes up, then 18,335 again. So market is almost Nifty is at 18,200 and going up by 100 to 150 points. I think that will be enough for the call buyers and the put writing positions. So that can be seen, or till 18,335, then we need to be careful. The bears need to be careful. And if again I told you that for now the data is saying up move, okay. If suddenly data start shifting on the bearish side, so you will have to notice that and analyze that carefully. So for now 18,335 would be the next resistance that we would be getting in Nifty. So 100 to 150 points up move can be seen in Nifty. And let's come to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, you can see very well that for these days it's almost flat. So again, Bank Nifty, there is like, I mean, you can very well see that it's almost like the all-time high, which is, I mean, acting as the resistance. So the all-time high can break, or maybe it can touch the all-time high and again come down. But again, if Nifty has to go up, again Bank Nifty has also a higher chance to go up. So let's see that. So again, since if Bank Nifty makes a new high, so above there won't be any resistance on the charts, but we have to figure out the resistance according to the option chain then. Okay, but yeah, coming below we have like this 43,000 as the support. So talking about the FIIs, so FIIs are continuously buying. So that's what I told, like some new FIIs have come who are like buying, and also that like the I mean जो पुराना FIIs था वो सेल कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये जो नया FIIs वो बाय कर रहे हैं. So the new ones are buying and the old ones are selling. So something like that is happening, and the DIIs are continuously selling. Okay, so DIIs are pulling back their money from the market, and in the FNO segment, if you notice here, that is I mean some 565 crores of selling in the futures, and also in stocks almost 2000 crores of like futures long in among all the stocks, FNO stocks. So yeah, the stocks, if the stocks are going to go up, so again Nifty and Bank Nifty will also see some up move. So again, all the data are suggesting up move for now, but yes, we just have to notice if data is changing or not tomorrow. Okay, so that's the thing for tomorrow. And yeah, those who are new here, so you can follow me on Twitter, and the rest, like I would also like to mention that is there was a divergence that was created on one day chart here. And Nifty came down, but it should have come down a little further. So I think this is going to go up till 18,335 and again would fall. So that's what my analysis is saying. But again, let's see. Let it first go till 18,335, and then we will analyze whether it's going to go up further at 18,433 and then get resistance, because resistance should or will have to come. Okay, until unless these futures long positions are getting unwinded by these FIIs, resistance will come and Nifty will again have to further fall. So maybe some up move and then consolidation and then fall. This is what I am expecting, but I can be again totally wrong. So you know my accuracy, you know everything, you have seen the past videos. So I leave it, the rest I leave it to you to decide. So again, temporarily bullish, the final verdict is temporarily bullish, but at higher levels we are going to see the resistance. And yes, what are the levels I have told you already. So that's it for this video. So if you are new here, so you can follow me on Twitter, or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.